Up for sale, 1967 Chevy Nova. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Nova Sport Coupe. Finished in black with red interior. 327, which has been nicely built. Turbo 350 trans. And as always, you know, go around it, tell you what I know about it, point out anything that I see, we'll fire it up and then drive it. So of course, starting here in the front, the chrome bumper is in excellent condition all the way throughout. You see a little stain behind where the license plate goes, but the rest of it is very, very, very nice. The car's been totally restored, you know, chrome trim, paint, of course, interior, all of it. Drivetrain, lots of new parts underneath the car as well. Just a little close up here on the trim and the bezels that you see there. The fitment around the car is very, very nice. The finish on the black paint, it's actually an extremely high quality paint and it looks fantastic. And black is always hard to make straight, and they did a very nice job doing so. A tasteful cowl hood on it. You see a little mark right on top of the paint there. You kind of see it. Little blemish right there. No cracks on the glass anywhere. You see Nova 2 stitched into the dash pad, which is pretty cool actually. And I know just on this little edge here, just a little imperfection right there. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. Also, I love the optional like bumper guards there. It's got it on the front and the back, and that is super cool. I don't think I've had a 66, 67 that has had that. I was going to show you how easily the hood moves, but I accidentally hit stop on my video. So it's nicely greased. Again, 327, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, aluminum radiator, electric fan, ceramic headers, electric water pump. I like how the alternator is pushed down and out of the way to make it very clean on top. And this is all very nicely painted all the way around, including the underhood here, which you see. Strong running, smooth running. And yeah, we'll keep going down the side of the car here. Nice, tasteful red stripe all the way down on both sides, which complements the expensive BF Goodrich Redline radial tires with the rally wheels, with the spinner cap in the middle. Also, the engine is a 66 327. I just ran the code before I started the video, just out of curiosity. HCR, which is what it would have started out its life as. This was a V8 Nova as well. So this would have had a 66, I think it was a 67, it would have had a 327 in it, I believe, or a 283. I think 66 might have been a 283. You see the nice reflection in the paint here. See just a little blemish right on the edge there. This is all nice. I guess a tiny little chip right on the door edge of the bottom. Yeah, that came right off. The quarters look to be original. I believe the fenders are original as well, which is nice. I know there's a little chip that's been touched up right on that door edge. And again, the interior is really in excellent condition. The paint is nice door panels. This shows very little wear. The seats, front and rear, also show very little wear, as well as the carpet, which is nice and clean, no rips. There's your door jamb here. Nice finish. Let me hop in. You see just a little material, you know, poking out there. I think it's on that side too, if I remember. Yeah, it is. Zoom out just a little bit. Nice steering wheel, tack, factory gauges, a couple upgraded gauges, ratchet shifter down there as well, and yeah, Nova 2 in the visor on both sides. Seats are firm and comfortable. I like how they got the black seat backs as well. Little offset. You see how nice the back is here on both sides. Headliner's mint. Let's keep going. Make sure I got the key. Yep. Oh, you see a little mark right on the edge of that door. A little bit of dust here. Do something real quick. Looks like no matter how many times I do this while I'm outside trying to do the video here. 1 second, just so you can see that. There you go. Pencil, like the smallest little marks you could see right there. It's a stupid truck with no exhaust on it. God, dust. There you go. Beautiful. Let me finish this section off here real quick. Dual exhaust, MagnaFlow tips on it. Bumper's just as nice as the front bumper. Again, just a little bit, like a couple stains behind where the license plate is. It's got the bumper guards on it as well. Nice fitment here for the lid as well. Nice trim. Go ahead and pop it for you. Whichever one this is. Upside down. Nope, wrong key in general. There we go. Excellent finish in the under trunk lid here. And the trunk mat correct spatter paint that you see there. Has the original quarters in it on both sides. And the original trunk pan in it. And even there, you see there, that looks pretty good. A couple little marks, but not patched. Super solid. Excellent finish in here, as well as the moldings. Or not the moldings, the weather stripping. You see a little stamping right there. And another stamping right there. And yeah, keep going. Pull the key out. There's your back deck. It's got 2 speakers in there. I didn't really mention it. Your trim all the way around all the windows. This is all in excellent condition as well. Very nice. If it's not excellent, it's very nice. Both sides. Get a little bit of this dust off here. See just a couple little marks in the paint there. Again, a little more dust. Nice and easy. Before I hop in for the passenger side. Oh, gotta do the top of the car. Oh my gosh. A little dust up there. will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 67 Nova Sport Coupe, finished in black with red interior. 327, nicely built, aluminum heads, and all the little goodies that I mentioned earlier. Turbo 350 trans. Posi rear as well, 10 bolt. The undercarriage is super nice. All original sheet metal. And very nice example underneath, let's put it that way. So, thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now.